How to monetize your blog website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can go ahead and monetize your own blog website to make thousands of dollars each month. So let's get started. Today our video is going to be all about how you can simply go ahead and create your own professional blog. And by professional blog, I mean you can go for any category. You can actually create your own personal blog and then monetize it with Google AdSense for free. You will be creating a blog for free. There is zero investment, but then you will be making thousands of dollars in return once you monetize your own blog website. So how you can do that? Let's start the process. It's super fun and super easy. So what you have to do is simply go to blogger.com. Blogger.com is powered by Google, and it's a free and easy platform to create your own blog website. You can create a very professional and very good looking blog with blogger.com. So let me show you one of the blogs that I have created with blogger.com. You will have a better idea about it. So you can see right here, this is one of the blogs, a demo blog that I just created for you guys. And you can see right here, it's a very fun blog. You can also create a blog like this with blogger.com. Simply go to blogger.com. How to sign up? The signing up process is really easy. You simply sign up with your Google account. Blogger is powered by Google, so you don't need to go ahead and create a separate account and add all of the information. No such thing. You will simply get it for free. Once you get your own blogger.com, this is where you will land. So you will actually find nothing here. These are my different, blog posts that I have added on my blog, but you will find it right here empty. Let me actually show you around. So we have posts right here where I will be able to post different, things on my blog. Then we have stats, comments, earning. This is where we will be working today, that how to monetize your blog. And then we have pages, layout, theme, and settings, of course, reading list, and this is where you can view your blog. Let's say I want to monetize this blog right here. To create a blog, it's super easy. You simply go to themes right here, and in themes you can customize any theme you want to. You can add a name for your blog, you can add links to your blog. You will get all of the different features in here, and then you will simply add different posts as well. So this is like a background image. I can select any theme. There are different themes available on blogger.com, a very professional platform. You can see right here, you can create any type of blog with blogger.com. You can see right here, a food blog, maybe a travel blog, maybe a personal blog, portfolio, whatever you want to create. So once you have created your own blog with blogger.com, what you can do is you will simply go to earnings right here. This is what you will get with blogger.com. And with Blogger, because Blogger is by Google, so the earning is also going to be through Google AdSense. And this is legit because we know we also get our earnings from our YouTube and other platforms through Google AdSense. And you can simply create an account, and then you will be able to go ahead and you will be able to monetize your blog. So this is a very legit way to monetize your blog and get paid. Now what you have to do is simply click on create AdSense account, and I will be able to create a new account with my Google account right here. First thing that you need to add is your website. So this is my website right here. They have already added a website for me, but if I want to go for I don't have a website, I can go with this one. But they have already added my website, which this is the URL that I've added for my website. If I show you, you can see right here. So you can see right here, they have already added it. Then we have get more out of AdSense. So yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. No, I don't want customized help, so I can go with this one. Then we have your payment country. So this is where you will be getting your payment. Like this is the country you're going for, and you will be registering your website from this country, and this is where you will simply get paid. Now, so simply add your country right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add country in here. Simply go with the country you have added to your Google account. Then you will simply click on I have read and accept the agreement. Simply click on start using AdSense, and you will get your own AdSense account. And this is where you will simply go ahead and monetize your blog. So you will simply add your information right here. For privacy reasons, I'm not gonna open this up, but when you click on enter information, it shows you your address and your billing information. Then you have ads, and This is how ads will look on your website. So let's explore this one. This is interesting. This actually shows you how the ads will look on your website, the blog site that I have created. So they will actually now give me a preview of my website. They will actually, get my website from here. This is my website that we just saw, my blog, and this is my blog post. So this is how the ads will look, but I can change the formats of the ad if I want to. For example, I can go with different formats. I can go with widescreen. I can go with anchor ads, whatever I want to go for. There are two ads that I can add in one page. You can see the anchor one, and then we have in-page ad. So this is the preview looking pretty good. That's what I want. I want two ads on my website, and that's the way we simply make money with Google AdSense. And now simply let's go and connect our website to our Google AdSense so that we can proceed and we will be able to simply go ahead and make money. So the first thing is that request a review before your blog gets monetized. Google will actually review your website that if it's eligible to get monetized. And what's the eligibility criteria? Simply, let's go ahead and let me actually show you what you need in order to monetize your blog. So here are our eligibility requirements for AdSense, and this is what is required in order to monetize your blog. So the first thing is, do you have your own unique and interesting content? In this one, you have to have a high quality original content. You should have your own copyright and it should all be original. That's the first thing. Then, does your content comply with AdSense program policies? You simply, go and read the terms and conditions, agree to them, and then proceed. Are you at least 18 years old? Then you need to be 18 years old in order to monetize your blog if you use Blogger, YouTube, or another host platform. So this is really important because AdSense works with Blogger and YouTube. So you have to choose which product you want to go. For us, we will simply select Blogger and then we will actually get more information. Let's go to Blogger and it will tell us that how to monetize our blog. So what happens with Blogger is that for bloggers, you need to have some comments and you need to have at least 10 posts on your blog right here. Then you need a few of the comments. The post should have views, and with each views you actually get more money because it works like that. The more views and visitors you will get, the more money you will make with Google AdSense, and that is how it actually helps you monetize your blog as well. First, go ahead and add at least 10 blog posts to your blog. It should be unique, and then you should have comments and at least 100 to 200 of visitors each day in the start so that your blog can be monetized. So it's super easy, not that difficult. You can simply create a very professional blog of your own with blogger.com and then simply go ahead and monetize your own blog website with Google AdSense. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to monetize your blog website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.